What's up, Keep It Cleaners all over the world? It's your boy Miguel So Clean with Keep It Clean Carpets and Towel. And today we have a good one. What are we dropping? We're dropping a 10-gram tablet of EnviroTab, aka ClO2, chlorine dioxide. Let's take this bad boy outside. Let it air out. And then we're going to add 16 ounces of hot water, and we're going to mix 8 ounces of Boostio, which is titanium dioxide. So we're going to heavy with 8 ounces of Boostio, titanium dioxide, and a 10-gram tablet of ClO2. So Boostio and ClO2, titanium dioxide, and EnviroTab 10 gram. Okay, that's going to be on the YouTube description for all my Keep It Cleaners out there in the fence. We're not using Consume, even though I'm giving it a thumbs up, or Kaido Shield. We got a different animal. A customer called us. She has over 25 properties in Miami-Dade and say, Miguel, my tenant just moved out. Doesn't look like he's ever cleaned the carpet within the 10 years that he's lived there. He's had hamsters, rabbits, cats, pets. He's an animal lover. It's, it happens. What scares me is I don't know what the carpet looks like. So what I'm doing for all my Keep It Cleaners out there, I'm adding my Boostio to my ClO2. This is going to stabilize my chlorine dioxide, which has already been gassed out. 10 grams to 2 gallons of water is not a big deal. And this is going to kill all my bacteria, all my lingering bacteria. Remember, guys, ClO2, it's been nearly 80 years, maybe even more. Chlorine dioxide has been one of the primary choices for what? Cleaning fouled water, water treatment facilities. What else is ClO2? For treating ponds, to cleaning water, and obviously washing the fruits and vegetables. Obviously at a lower ppm. And, we'll get into that if you come on this side with all the Synergy products. We'll educate you on that. We'll get you certified. That way you don't have to worry about dying. I mean, as serious and funny as that sounds, okay? It takes levels, okay? So keep that in mind. Why choose Synergy products? Because we'll educate you the right way. So we're using 10 grams, okay? Anybody that's using 100 gram, you have to have special gear for that. But that's another subject for conversation. And 2023 is going to be extremely exciting because we're going to cover a whole lot of stuff that I do, from odor treatment jobs to stone work, terrazzo restoration, marble restoration, carpet cleaning, fine fabrics, everything that Keep It Clean Carpets does, you're going to learn live and direct. So let's go ahead and lay down the law. ClO2, titanium dioxide. The best kept secret. It's no longer the best kept secret. This is going to kill every living organism, any bacteria that's just lingering in this carpet. We're going to go ahead and deep clean, sanitize, and disinfect. FYI, chlorine dioxide solution, while containing no detergency ingredients. I said that wrong. Ingredientes. What can I say on Spanish? Ingredients, I can't say it, but you know what I mean. Detergency ingredients are still excellent at penetrating and breaking down the scum that can build up on any contaminated surface. All right? Remember, I'm bilingual. So everything that I say in English, I got to think about it in Spanish. And everything that I think about in Spanish, I say it in English. So, all right, this is a happy group. This is a happy group. All right? And I love haters. So if you're going to hate on me because I have a little heavy accent, just think about it. I speak 3 languages. What you speak? Hating. That, again, don't mind me, but I just have to throw it out there. So ClO2 is a great product to have in your arsenal, along with Boostio. Now remember, Boostio needs to be mixed. The hotter the water, the better it is, okay? And Boostio can be applied. I use Boostio in different aspects, hard surfaces. I just realized that Boostio does very well with terrazzo floors. I don't have to use peroxide. So again, this product is perfect for supplementing like soil break, which is another sort another Synergy product, or EnviroTab, which I'm using an EnviroTab tablet of 10 gram, and it just cleans badly embedded soils like what we're looking at right now. It absolutely shines on grease, commercial kitchen floors. I have a couple commercial accounts, high-end commercial accounts, where I've put it to the test. And again, Boostio's a great product to have. Not to mention that if natural light hits it or artificial light, it just keeps working. It just brightens everything. Again, as I'm pre-spraying, laying down the law, I'm seeing a lot of fuzzing. And what do I mean by fuzzing? It's also another word for us carpet cleaners to say that the carpets are shot. Fuzzing typically like occurs when the fibers from the carpets come loose due to high traffic. But it's not necessarily. Dogs tend to scratch. Fuzzing may also occur in this situation where dirt and grime just gets impregnated into the fibers of the carpet, and this carpet has not been cleaned in 10 years. Not to mention it's had multiple different pets. So the carpet, has an abrasive effect to the fibers. And again, we're going to do what it does. We came here to clean this carpet to make it look a lot better, and we're just going to wow our client and the tenant, and that's what we do. So we're going to lay it down. We're going to go heavy on the chemistry, and we're going to wet the pad, and we're going to let EnviroTab, 10 gram tab, and Boostio do its work for a good 10-15 minutes, okay? So we're going to go and take a break after we pre-spray everything. 10-minute break. We'll get back. We'll use our Phoenix MX, our OP aggressive machine. And this is where Phoenix MX shines. This is where Trinity shines. And if you want more information on Trinity, remember, I'm a distributor for Trinity, and I'm always going to be honest. There's a lot of things that I love about Trinity, and there's a lot of things that I dislike about Trinity. And that's the difference when you're dealing with somebody who has a storefront. I'm always going to tell you the truth. But when it comes to aggressiveness and carpet cleaning, this is a hard machine to beat, okay? And look how it's just eating up. Obviously, it has a lot to do with the chemistry, okay? But the speed of this bad boy, the aggressiveness of this machine, and I'm a big fan for the ones that know me, I'm a big fan on OPs, and I know that OPs are just going to get better as time goes, just like chemistry. And I can actually tell you with my heart in my hand that chemistry has finally caught up to VLM. As you can see, it's still a little bit wet, but there's a big difference already on the carpet. We're going to continue to work, and evidently and hopefully I will wow the audiences out there. Look how clean the water is once we, put in our fiber pad, or microfiber pad. You'll see immediately how dirty this water is. We're going to go ahead and wash our Phoenix MX so it can be clean, nice and clean for the holidays. And this is my last job for the holidays. This is an emergency, but look at the difference, man. Look how much brighter the carpet is. Keep in mind it's still a little wet. And remember how I mentioned the fuzziness on the fibers? The carpets come loose due to the foot traffic. You can see it in certain areas, but the customer just came in. She doesn't even smell. The dog walked in, and before she was like, he was all over the place. And now he can't even smell the urine that's left behind. And that's the magic of Boostio and CLO2. Right here, as you can see, this is where the fuzziness, I guess they had like a chair here or a computer desk or whatever the case might be. But you can see that this is where the fibers were shot. The carpet's not dirty. It's about 85% completely dry. You can see the closet came out beautiful. But in this area, it's not that it's dirty. It's just that this carpet was not maintained for the past 10 years. But we came, we conquered, and we delivered. So that particular area right there, if I get close, and obviously the yellow lighting doesn't do a well job, see how the fibers are shot? 10-year polyester. Jesus. Look at that. It's a totally better looking carpet. And not to mention that the smells are absolutely gone. So on this chemistry, when using chlorine dioxide and ViroTap 10-gram tablet along with Boostio, you'll have a perfect combination for pet odor removal. Guys, thank you so much for watching. We are Keep It Clean Carpets and Tile. Clean home equals healthier living.